Today we are going to make the bullseye paper airplane. For this paper airplane, you'll need a piece of paper, construction or printer, and you'll need a stapler for it to stay in its original shape. As you can see, the bullseye flies really straight, fast, and accurate. First, we take the top right corner of your piece of paper and fold it down. And it is very important for it to stay very precise. Then you open it back up and fold the top left corner down the line and onto the corner. As you can see, it makes a little X right here. So, you need to take the two corners and fold them down. Open it back up. Take the two sides again, but on this time, you have to put them down like this, like a triangle. And you fold this down too. And that also makes a triangle. Flatten out the top. And then bring the top and push it down until the paper ends at this line. And then it looks like this. And then you take this and fold it in half. As you can see, it doesn't really look like an airplane so far. And then you take this, fold it down this way, and do the same on the other side. And do that again. Fold this down, and flip it over, fold this side down. Then you got a paper airplane. Now what you do with the stapler is you push this down as far as it goes, take the stapler, fold this up, and then staple it. Right there. It's not working. There we go. Okay. There.
Hopefully your stapler won't be demented.
Right, like ours. And then take the stapler again, staple it on these. And this looks bad. Staple that, and then staple that too. Then you got your paper airplane. And it should look roughly like this. And that's how to make the bullseye paper airplane.